Hello students and Nptel learners. So as of now we covered week 1, week 2, week 3 Nptel assignment questions answers. So today we are going to see the week 4 assignment answers. The assignment due date is 22/2/2023 tomorrow. So before that kindly do your submission. Okay. So let me see the first question. The static and dynamic characteristics of the media of pneumatic system differ from those of the hydraulic systems are. So how the pneumatic systems are differ from the hydraulic systems. So remember the hydraulic system always have a high density and high viscosity. So first option and fifth option is wrong. Okay. In the case of pneumatic system only they are. So in the case of pneumatic system it have a high compressibility. I just show one example once again. Okay. Check this picture. High compressibility property of gas. The gases are highly compressible. Due to high compressibility, large volume of gas can be compressed into a small cylinder. This is an example for our LPG cylinder which is used in our home. Okay. So in our house we are using LPG cylinder. In that one, the large volume of gas are can be compressed in a small cylinder. Okay. So that's the main purpose of pneumatics. So due to high compressibility. So high compressibility is the answer, and low density and low viscosity. Gases are always in a low density and low viscosity manner. So these options are also correct. So now let the check the question number 2. Primary air treatment unit mainly consists of. I just show the diagram. Check this one. In this case, primary air treatment are consist of after cooler, mainline filter, dryer, and receiver tank. Now check the options. After cooler, mainline filter, dryer, and receiver tank. Okay, now let me check the question number 3. These are not the positive displacement air compressor. Okay, actually in the question they are not asking the positive displacement air compressor, which are not positive displacement air compressor. That means they are asking which one is a non-positive type air compressor. Okay, let me see the options. In the case of non-positive displacement air compressor, centrifugal and axial ejector, three types will coming under this category. Okay, so check out that centrifugal compressor. So I put a tick mark here in this particular option, and then check out the positive type. Positive types: piston type, diaphragm type, and then in this case rotary type, liquid ring. These things are coming under positive type. Okay, so piston type, diaphragm, liquid ring. These three options are coming under positive type. And this blower, remember blowers are whether it is a positive or non-positive, but first we have to check out that. I just show one picture. So in this particular tree diagram it is not mentioned whether the blower is in a non-positive type or positive, but in our question they are asking the only the non-positive type. Check out here in this particular option, non-positive displacement air compressor, it eject may or may not fixed volume of air at rated pressure. Okay, so it is also known as turbo compressors or blowers. So non-positive displacement compressors called as blowers. Okay, clear. So blowers are non-positive displacement air compressor. So this option also correct. So question is which one is the non-positive type? So centrifugal and blower both are correct. And main parameters characterizing the performance of a compressor are. Now check the option. So which are the parameters? Check for the performance of centrifugal compressor. First one, flow rate or volume flow rate. Check out the option, first option, and second option is exhaust pressure. So intake pressure or discharge pressure. And then speed and power. Rotating speed and compressor shaft power. Compression ratio is not given in the option. So I put a tick mark, first one, second one, and fourth one, and fifth one. Okay, these are the answers. And now check out the PV diagram of an ideal single stage single acting compressor with no loss and cutoff volume is shown in figure. Okay, as per the PV diagram for air compressor, the compression is taken place in between isothermal and adiabatic phase, which is termed as polytropic. So polytropic is the condition, and as per the condition, n is lies between 1 and 1.405. Okay, so the option is polytropically with the exponent value is 1.405. This is the answer for question number 5. Now question number 6. Membrane compressor is used where? So actually in the case of a membrane compressor, it is used for low volume options. So I given question number option number 2. And then dry compressed air is used. So option number 5 also correct. So I put option 2 and 5 is the right. I put a tick mark. Option number 2 and 5. Okay. Now check the question number 7. The temperature of the compressed air is dissipated using. Now check the options. The temperature or heat of the compressed air. Compressed hot air, which is dissipated to the surrounding through large cylindrical surface area of the receiver tank. So this option, first one. So smaller option, smaller cylindrical area is wrong. Heat exchanger also wrong. Moisture separator is also wrong. And drain trap, this option. See, outgoing air should be taken out from the receiver top. Any moisture left out from the compressor and condensed out, it may collected at the bottom. Later it will drain off through drain cock. So this is a drain cock which is provided at the bottom. Okay. So hot air is dissipated through large cylindrical area, and then after that the condensed air is taken from the drain cock. So in the question, the temperature of the compressed air is dissipated. How it is dissipated? So these two options are correct. As per my guess, these two options are correct. So only I put tick mark for large cylindrical surface area and drain trap. So question number 8. The absorption dryer has the following features. Okay. So as per the absorption dryer from the Nptel class, they indicate that it is a simple design and it don't have a no moving parts. So option 2 is correct. And then running cost is high, so that only absorption dryer is not used. It's a main limitation for the absorption dryer. So option 2 and 4 is correct. And then air quality, which is depend on the quality and absorbent material. Few materials which is used for a absorption material. Uh, these are the chemical materials which are used for absorption layer. So depend upon the material, the air quality will be differ. So air quality also depend. So option 5 also right. So option 2, 4, 5 is correct. So question number 9. The intercooling in multi-stage compressors is done. It is majorly done for minimize the work of compression only. Okay, as per the concept. So option 5 is correct. So question number 10. The following peculiarities of operation of pneumatic system are due to high compressibility of air. So due to high compressibility, time delay of response is not possible, because in the high compressibility we will get a faster movement of the cylinder, not a slower movement. Time delay is not possible. And then Uniform motion of pneumatic cylinder piston. It is correct. There is, we can get a uniform motion of a front and back movement. Pneumatic cylinder piston, and then pneumatic systems can supply great energy during a short period. It is also correct. Within a short period, we get a great energy. And pneumatic cylinders need a braking system for position locking. So, as per this particular option, you can see a video in the YouTube, and for this particular option, a separate braking system is applicable for stopping the cylinder in the in between gap. So braking system is required for all the pneumatic cylinders for position locking. So option 2, 4, 5 is correct. 4, 5 is correct. So these are the options for all the answers. Kindly submit your assignment before the due date. So today is the tomorrow is the due date. Today is 21st. 22 is the due date. I'm sorry. So today is 20 February 2023. So as per my observation, I got these answers. Suppose if any answer is incorrect, means kindly mention it in the comment box. So previous classes also I mentioned that if anything wrong means you kindly mention. So if you mention before the due date means I can also get correct the options. Otherwise, I may get a wrong answer. Okay. So as per my studies and the observations only, I mark these options. But if you feel anything wrong in this particular options, kindly inform me. Thank you.